Hello friends! The Honda CRF250L is a small bike and by default doesn't offer any place other than the toolkit box to put anything. And that isn't going to allow you to carry water, warm clothes, or a place to stuff a sweatshirt as it gets too hot or too cold. So your options are going to be a backpack or trying to strap something on. Although there are small tail bags that you can try to mount, without a rack you simply won't have the mounting options. Before identifying the best brand, I read everything I could find on the internet and looked at all the photos. Precision Motorcycle Rack stuff is the best quality I could find, and they stand behind their USA Made in America products with a lifetime warranty, which gives you a hint that their stuff is built really strong. I went on my first couple of rides with a backpack, and even though I have a comfortable OGO no-drag backpack, I just didn't like the weight on my back. With the horrible range of the CRF250L out of the box, I knew I wanted a rack that would work with a Rotopack's 1-gallon fuel cell. The PMR rack has an option to add an expansion plate that has holes made to accept the Rotopack's, and that mount plate gave me even more strap options than just the rack. The other thing that was appealing about their rack was the ability to attach side racks to it. Even if I didn't plan on getting side racks now, I knew at some point I wanted to, so choosing a brand that accommodated side racks was important up front. In addition to the side racks adding mounting options, they also may offer some protection in the event of a crash or tip over. PMR does a great job in their instruction videos of all their products, and the installation was a breeze. I wish everything from the aftermarket installed like their stuff did. I added an expandable tri-bag setup and was surprised at how much of the rest of the season I went with the full tri-bag setup. Having the extra storage is simply nice to have and lets me plan things out, and I'm a bit of a planner. Check out all the accessories for the CRF250L profile pages found on our website, and keep watching our 2020 video series called Road to Adventure. And don't forget to check out our other related series videos as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.